Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain what the adverb of frequency. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Bayu Haji Nugroho from class 17 1835 from the BSI Tegal campus. And I'm sorry, this is my campus mid-semester exam. So if there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Frekuensi by Bayu Ajinopo. This is my biodata. My name is Bayu Ajinopo and name, class, and from campus UBSI Tegal. Introduction. Adverb of frequency is a word or phrase used to describe how often an activity is carried out. The adverb of frequency help provide time context in a sentence, so that the listener or reader can understand how often something occurs. Table of frequency. This is table of frequency or can be seen in the following the picture. Adverb of frequency always. Always an adverb of frequency which mean always or 100%. This word is used to describe action or event that occur constantly or continuously, without exception, within a certain time. The word always is used to state that an action or event is always carried out, without exception, at very affinity or time. Example, the word always in adverb of frequency. She always wake up at 6 a.m. I'll always brush my teeth before bed. He always studies so hard in English course. Adverb of frequency usually. Adverb of frequency usually is used to indicate how often an action or event occurs, meaning almost always, but not always. The adverb of frequency usually means most times. It's used to describe how often sometimes happen. The example word usually in adverb of frequency. They usually go jogging in the morning. He usually takes the bus to work. He usually drinks coffee before work. Adverb of frequency frequently. Adverb frequency of frequently is also used to indicate how often an action occurs. Although frequently is used less frequently in everyday language than usually, it still conveys a similar meaning to usually. The example, the word frequently in the adverb of frequency. She frequently travel for work. Ben visits the library frequently. He loves to read books. The adverb of frequency often. The adverb of frequency often is used to indicate that an action occurs with a very frequent frequency, but does not happen every time. Often is more commonly used in everyday conversation compared to some other adverbs such as frequently. Example to using often. She often goes for a walk in the morning. They often go to the gym after work. Adverb of frequency sometimes. Adverb of frequency sometimes describe how often sometimes occurs either in the infinite or definitive indefinite terms. An adverb that describes definite frequency is one such as weekly, daily, or yearly. The example word sometimes. They sometimes they sometimes play soccer at after school. We sometimes eat out on weekends. Adverb of frequency occasionally. The adverb of frequency occasionally indicate that the activity occur occasionally or not very often. Example using occasionally. She occasionally visits her grandparents. I occasionally drink soda. Adverb of frequency seldom. Seldom is an adverb of frequency that means rarely. It used to describe how often something happen or how often sometimes do something. Example of using the word seldom in the adverb of frequency. She seldom goes to the gym. I seldom travel by plane. The park near my house is seldom visited by people. Adverb of frequency rarely. Rarely is adverb of frequency that means sometimes happens, very rarely or almost never never. It apparent a frequency of about 20% of the time. The example of using the word rarely. I rarely go to the office. We rarely go to the movies. My brother rarely has a breakfast before going to school. And the last adverb of frequency never. The adverb of frequency never is never itself. Never is an adverb of frequency that means no times. It indicates how often an action happens. An example of using the word of never in adverb of frequency. She never forgets her friend's birthday. He never watches horror movies at night. We never travel without checking the weather forecast. That's the explanation about the adverb of frequency. I apologize if there are any mistake because this is my college assessment. If there are any mistakes, I apologize and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.